Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best wire deck railing is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing options available for enhancing your outdoor living space, offering a sleek, modern look that complements a wide range of architectural styles while providing unobstructed views. Its minimalist design creates an open and airy feel, making it an ideal choice for homeowners looking to maximize their deck's visual appeal and connection to the surrounding landscape. This type of railing system is not only about looks but also about creating a safe and durable barrier that stands the test of time and weather. Number 5. LuckIn 600 feet T316 stainless steel deck railing cable. Crafted from high-quality T316 stainless steel, this cable is built to last. It offers exceptional durability, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant properties, making it ideal for any outdoor setting. Featuring a sturdy 7x7 braided construction, it boasts an impressive breaking strength of 1,800 pounds. This design ensures it won't unravel when cut and maintains its integrity over time. Experience a smooth finish thanks to its polished strands, neatly wound together. This results in a surface free from burrs, ensuring a clean and safe installation. This versatile wire rope is perfect for a wide range of applications. Use it for building deck railings, creating wire fences, or supporting string lights and shade sails. The package includes a generous 600-foot roll of 1/8-inch stainless steel cable. You can easily cut it to any desired length to perfectly suit your project-specific requirements. What we like. This cable offers superior durability and resistance to the elements, making it ideal for any outdoor setting. Its generous length provides ample material for most projects. If you're building a new deck railing or fence and need a reliable, long-lasting cable, this is an excellent choice for its robust construction and weatherproofing. What people say. It is working out great and it was easy to install. Good quality cable. Doesn't unravel or fray on cutting. Looks great upon installation. Quick delivery, quality cable. Number 4. BLIKA Stainless Steel Cable Railing Protector Sleeves, 120 pack. Introducing our premium protector sleeves, designed to safeguard your cable railing system. They are perfect for preventing wear and tear on wood or composite posts. Crafted from high-quality T316 marine-grade stainless steel, these sleeves offer exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. They are built to last in any environment, including coastal areas. These sleeves are specifically sized to fit 1/8, 5/32, or 3/16 diameter cables. Their precise dimensions ensure a snug and secure fit for optimal protection. Whether your project is for indoor or outdoor applications, residential or commercial, these sleeves provide a stylish and contemporary finish. They are easy to install and require minimal maintenance. Each package includes 120 protector sleeves, ensuring you have plenty for your project. We've also included a free drill bit to make installation even easier. What we like. These sleeves are designed to prevent wear and tear on your posts, extending the life of your railing system. Made from high-quality marine-grade stainless steel, they offer excellent corrosion resistance. If you are installing a cable railing on wood or composite posts and want to ensure a clean look and long-term durability, these protector sleeves are a must-have accessory. What people say. They come with the exact size drill, which is super helpful. These stainless steel eyes, or guides, or sleeve protectors, are perfect for the wire rail system I installed in my deck. The sleeves protect the cable and keep it from fraying. And, they make the cable insert and slide through effortlessly. Number 3. Muzata CK07 Cable Railing Hardware Kit. This kit is designed for flexibility, working perfectly on stairs and flat surfaces. Its adjustable design allows for a wide range of motion, from 0 to 180 degrees, ensuring a perfect fit for your project. Each package contains everything you need to create up to 20 cable runs. With recommended post and cable spacing, you can achieve a secure and professional-looking installation for your deck or stairs. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. No pre-drilling is required, simply tighten the screws. The wide adjustment range compensates for any slight inaccuracies, making your DIY project hassle-free. For an efficient and cost-effective wood-easy system, consider our recommended combination of products. This includes the toggle turnbuckle, protector sleeves, wire rope, and specialized tools for a seamless build. Join millions of satisfied customers who have used our products for their home renovation projects. We are dedicated to making home improvement easy and affordable with quality products and reliable service. What we like. This kit offers incredible flexibility for angled installations like stairs, with an easy, screw-tightened setup. The wide adjustment range simplifies installation, especially for beginners. If you're tackling a project with multiple angles or are new to cable railing and want a system that's forgiving and adaptable, this hardware kit is perfect for you. What people say. Materials seem incredibly strong and durable. Plus these allow you to make any length you want, at any angle, and super easy to install once you get the hang of it. These are perfect, stainless steel pieces that make the fence railing just beautiful. They require a lot of pressure on the crimping tool, but that is what makes them secure and perfect. Very nice system overall. Simple to use and I'm impressed with the quality. Not nearly as difficult to install as I thought it was going to be. Number 2. 1000 feet 18T316 stainless steel cable. Introducing our 18-inch T316 stainless steel cable, perfect for your deck railing needs. It's built to last with superior rust and corrosion resistance. Crafted with MO, this cable resists rust even in coastal environments. Its high-density construction ensures it won't easily loosen over time. With a breaking strength of 1,800 pounds and a safe working tension of 260 pounds, it meets American ASTM standards for reliable performance. This versatile wire rope is ideal for a wide range of uses, including industrial, marine, landscaping, and DIY deck cable railing systems. Your purchase includes a 1,000-foot roll of stainless steel wire rope and a convenient cable cutter, designed to handle 18-inch cable. We offer excellent after-sales service. If you have any questions or issues, contact us for a response within 12 hours. What we like. This option provides a substantial amount of high-quality cable that meets ASTM standards, ensuring excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. It even comes with a handy cutter for convenience. If you have a large-scale project or want the peace of mind of having plenty of material on hand, this 1,000-foot roll is a great value and ensures you won't run short. What people say. Installed this around a wraparound porch that I didn't want to lose the view on. Amazing product and easy to install. The amount of cable is sufficient for my deck and seems to be good quality. The wire so far has not tarnished. Number 1. Lichamp 450 feet 1/8 stainless steel wire rope cable. Crafted from US ASTM standard type 316 stainless steel, this cable offers superior corrosion, heat, and low temperature resistance. It's ideal for creating robust stair and deck railing systems. With its 7x7 braided structure, this 18-inch cable boasts an impressive 1,800 pounds breaking force and 260 pounds safe tension. You can rely on its strength for demanding applications. Achieve clean and accurate cuts every time with the included smart cable cutter. Its hardened steel blades and coated handle ensure precise results with ease. This long steel wire rope comes neatly wrapped around a large core reel. This convenient packaging prevents tangles and mess, making both use and storage hassle-free. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor stair and deck railings, its versatility extends to hanging decorations, plants, lamps, and various DIY projects. It's a truly adaptable hardware solution. What we like. Built to US ASTM standards with 316 stainless steel, this cable offers exceptional resistance to corrosion and extreme temperatures. Its high-strength braided construction ensures safety and durability. If you need a reliable, strong, and corrosion-resistant cable for demanding indoor or outdoor applications, especially in harsh environments, this is a top-tier choice. What people say. Very strong and easy to work with. Stood up to hurricane winds. The turnbuckles help to provide tension to the wire so it can be tightened or loosened. The wire cutters that come with these also are solid. Overall easy to use. Great value, especially with the included cable cutter, one of those tools I didn't know I needed. I trellised 6 rows of berry plants and it works well for that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.